So I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm not in the gardens outside. It's way too hot. So I'm spending the heat of the day working on a project inside. This is our little tiny guest bathroom. It's really small, and I'm going to add some wainscoting trim. So I've sketched out kind of what I want each wall to look like. I've got the measurements. I'm going to use some painter's tape, and I'm going to go ahead and tape everything out and make sure it's what I want it to be. Then I'm going to have to head to the store, get my trim, and hopefully get all of this trimmed out and ready to paint. I've got a really pretty color that I'm excited to try out in this bathroom. This is a little too muted and boring for me at this point, so I'm going to give it a really good refresh, and I'll take y'all along the way. So let's get taping. All right, I ran out of tape. However, I've got the idea. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's going to be fabulous and gorgeous, and I cannot wait to install it and paint all of this trim and the walls, and everything is going to be so pretty. I've got a couple paint samples right here. I'm going to get on the wall and see which one I like best. Oh my goodness, you guys! These are my paint color options, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be good. I painted these samples really close to this frame because I wanted to see how the pinks looked against the antique brass and like the gold accents, and I definitely have my pick, but I'm curious what you guys think. So I have all my trim, and I've decided I'm going to go ahead and paint everything first before I put the trim in, because it'll be really hard to go back in and paint corners and that sort of thing. I can just paint all the walls and get that completely done, and also the ceiling. And then I'll go back and I'll put my trim in and paint the trim. I think that'll be much easier and quicker. So I've got to get all my stuff out of here, the pictures, the shelf, the mirror, all of that, clear it out, take all this tape down, and get painting. This is the not how you paint your bathroom tutorial. I'm doing it all wrong, but it will look beautiful in the end. And that's all that matters. Nothing about what I'm doing is the way you're supposed to do it. I'm not a professional, however, I can get the job done. You're supposed to have a tray to put your liner in. I'm too lazy to go to the garage and get my tray, so I'm just putting the paint in the liner, and it'll be fine. I can't get my mirror off the wall. My faucet fixture is too close to the wall, and so I can't pull it out. I'm gonna paint around it, and it'll be fine because nobody's gonna see it. Lots of good tips like that. Follow me for more. right, so this is kind of the drawing that I created to give me some measurements for my trim. I'm going to work on cutting the lengths of the top portion of all of these. They're going to be 51.5 inches. Get all of those, and then I'll start working on the horizontal pieces. This is the trim that I picked out at the store. I think it'll work really well. And then once I have it installed, I'll caulk it, and then I'll go back and paint it all. Actually need 16 of these, all the same length. I think I've got 8. I'm going to go ahead and take these in and just kind of see how everything's looking. Make sure I don't need to make any adjustments before I cut the rest of them. I am going to go through with my pencil and my tape measure and mark 3.5 inches off of the corner, 3.5 inches down from the ceiling. Change of plans. Using the tape measure, I wasn't able to mark things because I'm left-handed and it was getting just not super easy. So I cut a piece of wood. This was actually a paint stir stick. I cut this at 3.5 inches so I can literally just butt this up to the corners and mark it, butt it up to my crown molding, and then mark it. That way I'm not dealing with the tape measure the whole time and fumbling around. So I think this will work pretty good. All right, multiple days of work went into this. It's still not perfect, but it's so much better. Are you ready? Here's the moment of truth. I am super thrilled with how everything has turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of the bathroom remodel. But next time you'll see me back out in the garden, so I hope you'll like and subscribe to the channel so you can see all the things that are to come, and I will see you next time. Bye.